Hey everybody, Robbie Robertson, real estate professional. If you wanted a home in McKinney, Texas, 1 acre lot, no HOA, under 500,000, well, come by my open house today at 520 Overland Drive and see the things that we have to offer. I'll be here from 11 to 1. And you can tour this house for yourself. 1975 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, all new paint inside, new roof, new hot water tank, foundation repair done with warranty, updated kitchen, granite, built-in fridge, washer and dryer convey, beautiful backyard with mature trees. You've got an outbuilding with electric at the back of the property. And you've got this amazing 23 by 23 foot detached 2-car garage or workshop, your choice. So come by and see me today, 11 to 1 p.m., 520 Overland Drive. Ask me those tough questions. What are the interest rates doing? They're falling. And what can you do to make this home yours? Have an awesome day.